Mr. Krunal Patel, Director Sales TeamViewer, to speak on how TeamViewer is bringing solutions for the enterprises. Mr. Krunal Patel is the head of TeamViewer's India and South Asia region business with more than 17 years of sales and business management experience. He has held key positions in several renowned companies in the technology and enterprise software industries such as SAP, Gartner, Intelligence, and SE. Over to you, Mr. Kunal.
So thank you so much for the time and opportunity, VAR India and Deepak. Unfortunately, due to some exigency, I had to cancel my tickets for there, or I was like the first person to be there. I hope everyone on in the event in physical as well as on the call who are listening to us are safe and sound. What I want to quickly tell you today how the workplaces are changing and how as a customer you can work with TeamViewer to catch up, working with a mission to basically improve how the world works. Basically, some of the KPIs that we really bother is how are we impacting the society, how are we impacting our users, customers, partners, and our employees. Starting since 2005, we have been constantly focusing in delivering softwares which can help people help other people and connect anything from anywhere. Today, TeamViewer has grown into a full enterprise solution which is used to basically deliver different connectivity solutions. So whether it is accessing a windmill or controlling a coffee machine or supporting an employee working remotely on his tablet, these are different use cases. So whether it is monitoring hardware, monitoring operating technology systems, and this is not only relevant in information across different industries, different use cases. So wherever there is a connectivity requirement, we will be able to give you a solution in a very secure manner. Important topic today is hybrid working, and this is a research report which has come out in October, where NESCOM has done a research on how are enterprises preparing going back to work. And there were some interesting statistics which came into the play, like 70% of the organizations which they surveyed said that we will adopt a hybrid work model, which means that there will be physical offices, people going back to offices, but they will be in limited numbers as well as limited days of operations. 83% of those organizations which had more than 1,000 employees said that our employees would come back to office 1 to 3 days in a week, which means that 3 to 5 days or maybe 2 to 3 days in a week, people will still go and do work from home. And this is shifting drastically. Of course, we are opening up, we are trying to do things which are pre-COVID or pre-normal, but then still the research and the way how enterprises are consuming technology will be here for some time long. So when we talk of hybrid worker, we have been always talking of connected workers. People who have a computer, people who have a desk, and people who have a mobile phone to connect and work. But there is also a huge workforce which is deskless, and I'll talk to you about that in a bit. On the connected worker front, we all know what we have to offer. We have remote support solution which will help you support your customers, support employees in a very easy manner from anywhere. You have work from home solutions for higher processor intensive jobs where VPN does not work. You have IT management suite, which is monitoring and asset management of remote assets, endpoints, endpoint protection, backup of endpoints, and website monitoring for performance management. We have a whole new engagement platform now, and this is what we would be very interested to for our partners to take to market. It is not only a simple meeting solution, but it is basically an experience. It allows you for a better employee engagement, better customer engagement, and it gives you an omni-channel automated customer experience. There are various use cases that we are seeing in adoption, my friends. This will be one game changing solution with no code implementation or very low code implementation. You can create omni channel experience for your customers. Give them a chat feature, a chatbot feature, a screen sharing feature, video collaboration feature, and audio collaboration feature, all from the same website that they are currently using, or all from the same mobile application that they are currently using. So I would be very interested if you want to take this solution to the market. It's a very simple package solution, very easy to deploy and fast to utilize solution. Coming to the other side of the hybrid work, which is the deskless workers, the people who are on the field, on the travel, who are not having a desk or computer to work on. How do we get this workforce into the process? And that's where, and then this is almost around 70, to some industries 80% of global workforce. We look at logistics, we look at manufacturing, we look at warehouse keeping, we look at professional services, and there are so many employees who are on field doing post sale support, who is doing inspection, engineering support, and so on and so forth. And all these people are currently working on either some amount of a mobile application to some extent, but to a lot on paper, using a paper defined activities. So to change this, friends, you can take our AR based remote support solution to the market. This is very easy solution, can be deployed immediately, no deployment or customization required, can be rendered on a mobile phone as well as on a smart wearable or an eye wearable. So very easy, see what I see solution. It is like if there is a breakdown which has happened in the field and the person is not able to fix that, he will take support from an expert anywhere using his mobile phone, and all this will be recorded and reported along with other features like file transfer, see what I see features, screenshots, and so on and so forth, all with augmented reality annotations. The application of these solutions is immense, right from training, maintenance, field services across different industries where you operate. So my request would be, friends, if you have always supported me with TeamViewer remote support solution. I would also be very keen if you can take TeamViewer augmented reality and TeamViewer customer engagement platforms also to the market. And this is what enterprise require right now. And with the current hybrid work scenarios where you have partial people working remotely, need better engagement, and people who are on the field require support when they are there. And with all this put together, we will be giving them a very innovative but a very simple solution which can be deployed fast. So please sign up if you're not a partner, but if you're already a partner, please work with me, my team, on these new age solutions which we can take to enterprises. Our partner program is pretty simple. A lot of our partners in the room or on the call would be on the focus partner list where we work with them very time to time. But for new partners, we would be very interested to get them as a business transaction partner and then progress them towards the focus partnership program. Again, the rules of engagement is simple. You have very attractive rebate programs. You already have not for resale program. You have enablement and training which is free of cost, and I am open for creating customized incentives, region based, area based, or any other market development fund which is required to ensure that we do end user marketing or customer marketing. So I am completely open for those ideas and would be very keen to work with each one of you to do some activities. I am already engaging with a lot of the associations and working with them closely to understand, take feedback, and improve on how we can develop and expand our partnership program for India. So, friends, 3 years in India, I have got immense love, respect, and support from this community. And I really want to take this to the next level where I can grow this as well as we all grow together. So, we look forward to engage with you very closely And please feel free to reach out to me or any one of my team member to discuss on these solutions further. But the summary of the story is that please take our customer AR and customer engagement platforms to the customer, that the way you have supported us in remote support solutions. Over to you, MC. Thank you so much.